Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. To transfer the EMR film from your old LCD module to the new LCD module, you're going to need to peel the EMR off the back of the module. We recommend starting in the corner opposite the controller board, as there's a less likely chance of damaging the board or the connections when you're peeling it off. Take this process slow, and if you're finding it difficult to peel the adhesive, it can be easier with a heat pad. When applying new adhesive to the EMR, follow the path of the old tape or keep to the extreme edges. Try not to overlap the strips, as it may make it more difficult to peel off the backing afterwards. Once you've applied adhesive to all sides of the EMR film, peel off the backings. Carefully place the EMR film onto the new module. You can start from any side, but we found it easier to start from the board side, as it's easier to match the edges up. Apply pressure around the edges to secure the adhesive.